Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in this video, we will share the details for the Tsum Tsum error, which reads, "Verification is temporarily blocked. Please try again later." It's a frustrating sight, indeed. Our research suggests that this error often pops up when users try to log in with their Line account. The error message may indicate that your account has been suspended or blocked due to some kind of violation. If you're encountering this issue, resist the urge to continuously attempt logging in, as this could lead to a permanent account block. So what causes this Tsum Tsum error? It's primarily a line issue. Your account could be temporarily blocked or suspended, typically due to a violation. Now, let's quickly recap. The Tsum Tsum error message, "Verification is temporarily blocked," is a line issue often resulting from a suspended or blocked account. Repeated login attempts can exacerbate the problem, potentially leading to a permanent block. Alright, so what can you do about this? First, if this is your first encounter with the error, quit the app and wait for about 30 minutes before trying to log in again. If the error persists, it's time to reach out to Line support to report the problem. They're your best bet in this situation. If your account suspension is temporary, contacting Line support could help you regain access. In the worst-case scenario of a permanent ban, at least you can find out the reason for the suspension. Remember, all the help you need will come from Line support. So instead of getting frustrated, reach out and ask for their help. You can find them on the Line help page. If your account is suspended, there's one more thing you can do. If you have a backup of your Line account, consider creating a new Line account and importing the backup from your old one. In conclusion, the Tsum Tsum error, "Verification is temporarily blocked," is a frustrating but manageable issue. Remember, patience and communication with Line support are your best allies here. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.